3.4 million homeowners are in some type of COVID-19 forbearance as of right now, and that's 6.4% of all mortgages in the United States. Now listen to this. That's $2.8 billion in principal and interest payments that mortgage companies are deferring. That is a lot of money.
Sorry. $100 billion. Gentlemen.
Today I'm going to tell you what mortgage forbearance is, as well as if it's the right choice for you during these difficult times. Hey there YouTube, Josh with Debt to Dollars here. For those of you guys who are new visitors to the channel, I want to let you guys know I focus this channel primarily on gaining financial freedom by leveraging credit, real estate, and also side hustles. So if this is something that interests you, make sure to go down below and hit the subscribe button to see our new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Alright, now that we covered that, let's kick off the conversation today. So what is mortgage forbearance? Mortgage forbearance is defined as basically an agreement between you and your mortgage company to temporarily suspend or reduce your monthly mortgage payments for a specified period of time. This term and program isn't new at all. Forbearance has historically provided payment relief to assist homeowners dealing with job loss, disability, illness, a recent disaster, divorce, or other unique circumstances. Trust me, mortgage lenders do not want you to go into foreclosure. They are a bank for a reason, and they are not real estate investors. That is not what they specialize in. So they do not want you to go into foreclosure, and they'd rather you delay your payments to a period of time such as 6 months to 12 months so you can get back on your feet and you can continue paying them interest on that loan. Now that we covered that, let's talk about what's going on right now with the COVID-19 situation as well as the Congress Mortgage Relief Program. In response to the coronavirus pandemic, under the CARES Act, owners of single-family homes with federally backed mortgages can qualify for mortgage forbearance. Your loan servicer must do two things for you if you have a federally backed loan. One, they must defer or even reduce your payments for 6 months if you contact your loan servicer to make arrangements. Second, they also have to give you another 6 months of mortgage relief if you request it. So you could theoretically not pay your mortgage for 12 months. If you're unsure if your mortgage is federally backed or not, don't worry. I put a link down in the description below that'll tell you exactly if your mortgage is federally backed. Now, chances are it is, especially if your mortgage came from lenders such as Fannie Mae as well as Freddie Mac. Before we go any further, I want to make one thing very clear is that mortgage forbearance is only delaying and deferring your payments to a later time. So you still are expected to pay that principal and that interest at a later date. It does not get you out of paying your mortgage for a given period of time. However, you won't have to pay for late fees. If you do choose to go through the mortgage forbearance process, you have 3 ways of how you can repay that amount. 1, you can pay the deferred amount in a single lump sum at the end of the 6 months. And 2, you could pay it over a period of time that works for you. And the last one you could do is a loan modification, which will allow you to restructure your monthly payments in order to pay off that principal and interest for the amount that you deferred. Your lender should be able to provide you with these repayment options, and you have the right to select which one's best for you. Now, your lender should not expect you to pay that entire amount in a lump sum after the deferred period's done unless you choose to do so. So with this being said, just make sure to give your lender a call, understand those repayment options, and tell them what's best for your situation. Lastly, let's cover the steps that you need to take to gain mortgage forbearance. The first thing you want to do is you want to gather your financial information before even giving them a call. So this includes your mortgage statements, your other monthly debts such as a car payment or student loan payment, or even your credit card payments. So gather all that up, and the last thing you need is your income details. What I recommend is downloading some copies of your pay stubs for the last 60 to 120 days, and also grab your income tax returns. The second step is to explain your current situation. Be ready to outline your current hardship and explain why you are having trouble making your mortgage payment and if this is a short-term or a long-term problem. If your situation is related to COVID-19, make sure you mention that here. The third step is to go ahead and contact your mortgage company. You can typically find a number on your monthly statement of your mortgage, and go ahead, call that number and tell them that you're interested in a mortgage forbearance and you have all your paperwork ready as well as you want to see if you qualify.
The bottom line.
Bottom line, guys, there are over 3.4 million people right now that have some form of a mortgage forbearance ongoing, whether that be to 6 months or 12 months. So if you're concerned about meeting your monthly mortgage payments, go ahead and give this a consideration. I do recommend, prior to do any of this, give your lender a call after you have your information ready and see if this is something that could work in your situation. As I mentioned before, guys, the number that you need to call is on your monthly mortgage statement. So find that number, give them a call, and see what program is going to work best for you. My recommendation is to only sign up for mortgage forbearance if you are seeing an income loss as a result of the COVID-19 situation. Now, if you have not received any financial loss and you still have your job and you're still meeting your monthly mortgage payments on time, please do not sign up for this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you learned something new today, please go down and hit the like button. It really helps to support the channel. As well as if you're looking forward to next week's video, go down and hit the subscribe button. As always, I'll catch you guys next time.